Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Impressa A9 espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was having a error 8. That means that the brew unit is not going to the home position or to the working position, and something is getting stuck inside of it. And there was a lot of things in once we open up the machine inside of that brew unit. As you can see right here, that is all coffee and mold all around there. We took it out completely and we found even more coffee. So these brew unit definitely need to get service. We took it all the way apart and deep clean everything inside of this. We replaced the gaskets of the brew unit, replace the we descale this machine and give it a good clean all over. So yeah, that's what we did with this espresso machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. Then we're gonna be using the hot water. We will not be able to use the steam as we do not have any of the hoses that are connected to here. But we're still gonna be using the steamer. We're gonna see just a lot of steam coming out through here, but we will not be able to siphon anything as we do not have the hose. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out through the spouts, excellent color as well, working great. Great quantity, excellent color. Now we're going to be testing the hot water. By mistake pressed latte macchiato, so we're going to be testing the latte macchiato. That way we're going to be using the steamer, and that way we're going to be able to see again the flow. The machine is getting ready to extract. It's going to do pre-infusion, and then after that it's going to extract the coffee. As you can see right now, nice steady stream again, working great, and excellent color as well. I'm going to stop it right now as the latte is programmed for 3 ounces, and this can only hold 2.5. Again, nice stream, excellent coffee. We accidentally pressed the button for coffee. And now we're testing the hot water, and as you can see, nice steady stream coming out through the one, excellent flow, working perfectly. We're gonna just let it run until it finishes by itself. And as you saw, nice flow and steady stream coming out to the pump. Water sensor works, as you can see. Now the filter is gonna get rinsed. Working excellent. So there you have it. Jura Impressa A9 working once again without having error 8. Thank you so much for requiring Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.